morning, everybody. Day 2 at sea. Today is a sea day, and today is also our friend's daughter's wedding. We woke up late. It's 10:30. We're headed upstairs to the breakfast buffet, and I gotta tell you, I have one little thing I'm disappointed with Carnival. So Carnival, what the heck? There's no option to order breakfast for the room, so you can get room service. There's an extra fee, by the way. There's not a free room service like Royal Caribbean, but you've got to go up for breakfast because there's no breakfast options in the room service menu. And I am super hoarse because we danced all night. We sang. Last night was 90s night, and we sang and danced. And actually, both of us lost our voice. That's okay, because we're gonna dance some more tonight and probably scream some more tonight, but maybe by the end of the week we won't have any voice. Anyway, we're headed up for breakfast. Here's my honey. He's all bright and shiny this morning.
It's a good day. Day number 2. It's Monday, day 2, so expect breakfast to open at 10:30, and it closes...
No, it opens at 7:30.
Oh, Lido Marketplace breakfast, 7:30 to 11:30.
We're headed to the wedding. We're about 5 minutes late, and it's at the Havana Bar. This is so you can leave them a little note. Look how cute that is. There's the happy couple. It's so cute.
So where do we put them?
And the groom is right in front of us. Ooh, here comes the cake. Oh my goodness. So we are in the Havana Club. And usually at night they have a band playing there. And here's where she's gonna walk down. This is a very Cuban themed bar, as you can see. And they're getting all the food ready. There's a place here called Miami Slice, and we took advantage of it. Today's formal night, and we just want to take it easy. We were formal for the wedding, and now we just wanted to enjoy pizza. We're gonna go catch some shows. It's a fun-filled night though, guys. It's also 80s night. We've got our 80s outfit. Sun's going down and the kids are still playing in the pool, but look how beautiful it looks. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. We were just looking for the ice cream machine, and here's one. There's another one upstairs. Right here, this restaurant is called Pig and Anchor. It's a barbecue place. It's supposed to be really good. We haven't tried it yet. And over here where my honey is sitting, this place is called Heroes, and it's a bar with playing homage to our American heroes. It's pretty cool. And this is where we found the ice cream. Look at that. There's also another ice cream place just above us, I believe. But it looks like a military truck. That is so cool. A little bit of swirl. What are you having, babe?
Chocolate.
Chocolate and chocolate vanilla. I'm going to get to digging.
Chocolate cone.
So good. We're getting ready for the night of Enchantment Show. And this is actually 3 different levels. We're on the 2nd level. But it looks very interesting so far. I don't know if we're going to be able to film. And we're headed to the 80s glow party up on the Lido deck. It is hot, but we're gonna do it. Look up to the sky.